Hey guys, welcome back to Besiege. Today we're gonna be playing around with some new mods I got, like a spark plug, and something just more awesome. So let's start. I'm just doing something random. So let me just delete this. I want to try to create an auto gyro today. So an auto gyro is like basically a plane, yes, but the auto gyro actually uses there's a propeller in the back that propels it, that makes it move forward instead of the propeller at the top. So I'm gonna add a tiny wheel. This, that. First I need to make sure that this thing can roll. Turn on, grab. I think it rolls fairly well, actually. Okay, next I need a wheel. Let's do some scaling. Okay, now it's gonna look weird. Okay, I'm gonna move this out a bit. Oh, that one looks cursed. Oh wow. Oh, that's much better. Okay, I actually want this to be. There is no reverse. Okay, propeller. Now we need a wooden block on this. Otherwise, this comes off. And it's not the result I wanted. Scale this up like the teeniest bit. Scaling. It still looks like an oval, I gotta say. There, that's better. What the? How about just try adding like a normal wheel to this? Okay, that's better. Do some. Okay. Let me put this thing on the ground. Now it's time for the propellers. But I think I should actually use a ballast because you can just like adjust the weight of these, and you can just adjust it like 0 or like close to 0. I have to say. Small prop. Okay, this is not gonna work because I feel like this thing is literally this wheel's in the wrong place. There we go. Now let me just add the ballast back on. Do some ballast work. Add the props. Okay, now it's I think it's too back heavy, or is it actually? Why is this thing not moving? It's so weird. Speed. What the? Oh wow. Okay, I think I can lower the speed. Why do they keep on flipping? Huh? No. How about I just delete all this and just use a flying block instead? Because maybe that is actually better. You never know. I think it is better. Reverse. Toggle mode. We now feel like it's the time for the propeller on top. I have to say. This thing like a 1. Yeah, like give this thing a 1, so it doesn't matter anymore. So now, delete this one. That's with the ballast. Now just because I know this trick, it actually just saves a lot of the weight. I do this, ballast it. Oh, I just deleted part of the, I think, deleted part of the plane there. And if I didn't mention, I'll also be trying to create a car today this episode. Delete this. Yeah, I think I braced the wrong parts. Delete this. Brace. There we go. Okay, now I need a helicopter propeller. Now finally I can use some scaling purposes. Scaling. Okay, that I don't need a. What is this at? Oh, that's the 1. X scale. What is that? What is like the length scale? Oh yeah, Z scale. Okay, 2.90. 2.90. I just want to look at some other people's auto gyros to see how they do it. Okay, let's go here. I got some new spark plug mods that we're going to check out later. So no, it's not this, not this. Where is that auto gyro? Oh, here you go. I have no idea how this thing is controlled, actually. So now let's quit the whole auto gyro thing and start making a car. First, I want to do the drive shaft because I actually want to create like a real car, like the one that has a drive shaft. Okay. This is gonna be the engine bay, like where you put the engine. Let's delete these. No, actually keep those because I need to do something because I want to build an engine that's like take out a bolt, if that's even a word. I mean, you can just take the engine out. So now let's start designing an engine. Okay, I want a grabber, so I can just press Y or V or whatever, and then the engine just comes off. Now, okay, now it's actually, yeah. Okay, let me just actually delete all this and start just working on the engine. Don't ask me why, but I actually want to see how they created this spark plug boy. Oh, that is fast. Let's slow this down. Even slower. That's better. Okay, so now this thing uses spark plug, so now I get it. Okay, this is my spark plug that I have here. This is the person. Okay, so let me think. Okay, we need a log block. 2 here. Let me get the spark plug out. Can I scale the spark plug? Oh, I can. Put this up. Oh, this is like so so slow. Okay, let's see. Turn these off. Scaling. Now that is officially a spark plug. That green line is on, so that's good. Is there like an unpowered wheel somewhere? Okay, I need to redo this. Oops. Put it the wrong way. How does this? I actually kind of forgot how to use a spark plug. Maybe I do like a block. No. I actually wanted to figure out even how to use this boy. Slow time down. Okay, now how about I just I know I'm evil, but I actually want to just copy this over into my car, so you know. I am evil. This is gonna be like going at unstoppable speeds. Oh, it just falls off. Let me just go and see how to see. Spark plug engine. Oh, I think this will show me how to use the spark plug. Oh wait, what the? Oh, I get it now. So I think this is gonna be a very complicated to actually create one, but I just want to try. Okay. This is a place for the spark plug. Let me first add that boy in. Okay, I'm just having this thing like that's slow. I don't know if this is a frame rate actually. Okay, now I need some walls here. So whatever needed to pump doesn't come out. Okay, I need to make this bigger. Ball joint. Wait, I don't think that's what I need. Swivel, yes. I'm still thinking right now. So what if I do this? Yes, I do have touch grab on. Okay, I need to look at these engines again. Where's the plug in this thing? I don't see the plug. Oh, are those the plugs? Oh! Well, I think now I think I get it. Okay, so what we need here is first a pin block, obviously. Bloop. Okay, it's in there. It's somewhere in there. It doesn't matter. swivel. Now we need wooden pole. Okay, now I think I need another okay. Well, I need another swivel joint, and then I can just pin it on the other side so it won't fall. For the pin. Boop. Okay, now it's spinnable. I don't know if spinnable is actually a word though. Well, I need to save this. Save. Okay, I need to pull this back out and see how. Not this one. This. Something just fly off. Okay, I'm very confused. Anything just fly off. Oh, the plugs are just flying out of here. Oh wow. Now they're gone. But I should attach a bomb to the plug so you know what happened. It go boom. Okay, now I didn't get to the point. How does did this guy even use? Okay, it's the joints with more joints. Wow. Local items. Pull this thing back out. Okay, that is turning out pretty good right now. I just need to keep on putting the hinges down. Okay, first let me just try with 2 hinges. I don't know if it's actually gonna work or not. Now let me just do this. Now, I think I need a spark plug now. Why is there a wooden block here? I have this thing called an engine.bsg. Oh, I remember my chicken fire. It's actually really fun to use. Okay, this has random suspension cords. I need to move this boy out here. Well, I think I just busted the engine completely. Okay, I think this engine is now bust. Pin block it out of here. Oh my. Look, the engine's now dead. how about I just stop using the spark plug and just get to the whole point? Because I actually need to create an engine. Okay, I need a flywheel piece. Ooh, micro plug. Yeah, what does this micro plug even do? Actually, I'm wondering. Why do I put a micro plug like right here? Let me do some stuff real quick. Okay, this thing needs to be a powered wheel so I can actually run the engine. Armor. I have no idea why you put armor on the engine, but why not? Okay, now I should, yes, actually need to make the car part. Haha. Okay. I need the front wheels done, like. There. Okay, this does not look like a normal car. But I think I need to get this thing's commands right. Let me go here and do the work. V. There is no reverse. Ha ha ha. Toggle mode. Auto brake. Okay, now. These wheels. I think these should be unpowered because, well, I have an engine that's running. Why do I need powered wheels when I have a running engine? Okay, now I'll need the drive shaft, which is going to be this very long pole. How did I get it to connect to the wheels, though? Yeah. Gear. Unpowered cog. V. Okay, I think I need a cog at the end of this. This should start. Wait, what? Why is the cog not moving? Oh, I know how. Yes, there we go. Okay, now, for the other drive shaft, which is gonna like take me longer to do. Yeah, I just want to quit the job and just play with around with some flying aircraft. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have this idea that what if I just literally just get a big wheel, and then put like just some propellers on it. Okay, there it goes. And now I need a camera focusing on this block right there. Distance, bring it in. Oh wait, what the? Okay, I think let me just delete this camera block real quick. Come on, stop. And then I think I need to create a drone again. Maybe not actually. Okay, now I'm just testing out how wobbly this thing is. Wobble Master 300. Okay, now I'm actually off the job. I just want to create something Star Wars-ish. Okay, where am I? Oh, there they are. Balloons. Okay, should lift. I'll give it a bit more. More. Yes, there. Okay, now I can just scale everything. It's tiny. Oops. 10. Scaling. 0.10. Okay, now this just looks flat. 0.10 again. 0.10. Okay, this still flies though, which is like so weird. Zero point 10. Done. Flat. I actually want to see what happens when I do this. 0.10. Okay, now it's just the length. 0.10. And now you can just see this floating log in the sky, and you're like, what the? 0.10. And the thing I'm trying to create is like the Star Wars speeders. 0.10. 0.10. What the? Okay, I think I typed in 10.10. Okay, so now I need a flying block. Okay, now it's just struggling. Zoom in on this boy. There. Oh my god. I feel like it's going ballistic anytime soon. Oh, this is flying now. Actually, I just want to play around some mods and quit another job. Let's see. I'm gonna show you guys the spark plug car. Now, I forgot what button activates it. Oh. I actually want to recreate this. I need a piston for my pistons. That is a piston. I need to pin this. Spark boy. Okay, now let me create the wheel so I can finally understand how to use spark plugs. Okay, I need another one out here. Wait, what? Now what about a cog? Where are my cogs? Oh, there they are. Okay, it's flying. Okay, if I want to make this actually work, then I need to make this like one longer. It's not working right now. Can I? Okay, just like this. And then go with the original idea. Skins. This is literally gonna go flying. Okay, now I just e- okay there. Okay, now it's gonna spin. Okay, it's gonna spin this, which is good. How many brace points does this thing have? Oh, it's only one. Okay, because I don't want to go over time, so I just want to quickly create a car and then just quit the video. Because I feel like it's been a little bit too long. What is this? Aircraft. What the? What the heck? I could delete that. This is so weird. Okay, that is much better. Okay, I need to create like a cog chain right now. Go back to wheels. Wrong cog. Correct cog. Okay, I feel like this boy's struggling. Let's do some adjustments. Power. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, this is still slowing down for some reason. Bye bye. Why does it just freeze? I feel like it's not like too much power. Top trigger range. Oh, there. Oh! That is like better. Is it just me or are these cogs slowing down? Okay, I can just freeze a cog whenever I want to. Well, I think it's because maybe they're separating. We'll just do this. Yep, now it's going. This is really going now. I have an unpowered big wheel. Okay, this thing, I feel like this thing's a little bit too small. Add it back on. Let's do some scaling. See, scale, make this bigger. You know, this is a giant big wheel. But I don't feel like this wheel is actually attached to anything, so let me just do something real quick. Delete. Do this. Put this on. But now this one's okay. Now this thing, spark plug's not gonna have a good day. I need to fix this. How can I delete? Oh, there it goes. I was like, how can I delete this brace? Bye-bye moment. Oh, it just flew off. It's like system override. And now for this thing, I can make this scaling. Like this thing no, I don't think this thing can roll. Oh, this thing can fly though, because I'm making it fly. Okay, this thing okay, double braces. Well, this causes it to stop doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, maybe like a little bit bigger. The final thing of the video, I just want to check out some old, I don't want to say old mods, but like some of those mods I had from like earlier. Oh, this is a giant flocker. Yes, cannon. Whoop. Okay, what is the there? Oh crap, I'm falling. You're like, oh crap, I'm falling. Okay, anything else that's interesting? Okay, don't mind what just happened there because that is not supposed to happen. Okay, let me just move this whole boy out. I think I need to spawn this boy on somewhere else. This is the final mod of the video that I hope actually. Misty Mountain. Oh, why am I flying? Okay, there's a bomb in there. That's why I just went boom. Okay, a bit more to the right. What is the start the engine button? I'm wondering. Let me turn on grab. Oh, this is just trying to fly. Just don't mind me. Let me click this. Okay, now this is actually gonna be like one of those super easy to fly. I can just ditch the whole thing. Actually, I just want to put a camera on the. I actually just want to put a camera like on the gear right here, and I want to see where this thing goes. What the? Why is the camera just frozen in place? Oh, I get it. I did not aim it on anything. I'm just following. Oh, the gear just dies here. Okay, I just want to kamikaze something. Like some kamikaze pigeons. Fire! just want to check out everything that I haven't forget to end the video. What is in slot 8? Oh, so these things. This is a random jet engine. Okay, how do I fly this boy? That's the only thing I'm actually like about flying Besiege plane that I mean like the only thing I'm looking for while flying Besiege planes is you know how to fly or like how to start the engine, I gotta say. So what is the menu button? I don't let me just switch this to enter. Now what button puts away? Okay, like I can just fly for a while and then I can just ditch the engines. Okay, there go the missiles, aka engines. Let's actually fly for a while because I actually want to see how good this thing is. Oh, I feel like the engines died. Oh yeah, you have been lost. Now you're never coming back with me onto my glider journey. Where's the ground? Oh, there it is. I can actually see a shadow, like. Oh, there. That's the shadow I'm looking for. I think I just busted it. Can I just bust like everything on this plane? Okay, burn. Come on, why will you not burn? Oh, there you go. Finally, there is a hint of burning. Now let's fly. Okay, now I feel like the Alerons are officially dead. Oh, crud. Oh, crud moment to be like. Boop. This little fire will destroy my glider. And you're like, oh, nothing's wrong. You just keep on flying. And then you're like, oh, there goes my engines. What is happening now? I'm just trying to stabilize it. And it's not letting me. Final test of the video. I can just ignite the engines manually. I want to burn these ailerons too. I should spread. It's the fire spreading. Let's fly. Okay, I feel like all the panels are now dead. This thing is now dead too. Oh, but there it goes. Essentially, it's wobbling. Such a very dangerous situation. Okay, final test. Act like the real final test. Okay, ignite this. Oh, crud. This thing is dying. But I think I can, duration, I can get the duration longer. Okay, I just want to make you feel like there's a missile on this plane. Ignite them. Okay, click. Okay, missiles are ignited and I'm flying. Okay, I'm losing control. I'm losing control. Okay, I think I've just cleared the Alerons. Now they're just piece of the wood. Oh, okay, now I don't have any Alerion control. They're dead. There's only like one piece that's actually literally dead. Okay, I just need to burn this. Take off. Oh, I just saw pieces go fly off. Okay, I think I'm alive right now. And for some reason, I'm actually not dead. That's actually pretty impressive. Okay, just after a crash, I'm gonna end the video. Oh, okay, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Okay, now this thing is literally gonna crash like what in 10 seconds? 9, 8, 7, 6. Wait, what? Where is the ground anyway? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is not gonna crash, but I want to end the video here, folks. Bye.